Whether you are using the Fiberon Edge or EdgeX hidden deck clips, the installation method is basically the same. Put down the starter row, set the boards and clips, secure the boards, fasten. Now that you have a starter row, simply place a clip at every joist location, either onto the joist with the edge clip or into the groove with the EdgeX clip. With EdgeX, if you're not lined up with a joist, just slide it over until it's centered. Easy. Then simply slide the next board over the clips and repeat the process, laying out rows of boards and clips until you're ready to fasten. Before fastening, you'll need to secure the boards. Do this by using the last board to push the boards together, allowing the clips to set a consistent gap. Have a crew member hold the last board in place until it can be fastened. For fastening, prepare by setting your drill torque to 30% and insert the provided T15 driver bit. Notice I said drill. We recommend that you do not use an impact driver. With your drill set, it's time to fasten. Included in every pail is the Never Miss Guide, a super little tool that makes it easy. Just remember, this is a fastening guide, not a gap guide. Use only for fastening and after you've secured and locked the gaps of your deck boards. Start by fastening all the clips along the last board, pop the guide onto the exposed screw and drive until you hear your drill clutch disengage. Move to the next screw and fasten your way back to the beginning of the deck. The finished result is a beautiful fastener-free surface on your outdoor living space.